Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Illustrator tips and tricks. And in this video, I'll show you on how to show ruler in your Illustrator software. In some cases, when you are trying to work in your Illustrator workspace and you find out that there is no ruler right here, and how you can show the ruler is a very simple logic. What you want to do right here is to come to the top right here, navigate to view right here. The next thing you want to do is to come down below right here. Go ahead and make sure you scroll down until you get to ruler options right here. Go ahead and click on rulers. The next thing you want to do is to simply navigate to show rulers right here. Once you click on show ruler, it's going to appear, or you press Ctrl plus R, a very shortcut key to get to ruler option in your Illustrator software. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Illustrator software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.